How do you see uh, the gig economy in India now?
I think actually
Huh.
the gig economy is doing wonders for India. I know people have criticized that gig workers are underpaid. They're not underpaid.
Okay.
I know we look at the Zomato board, at the internal board, we are very bothered about gig workers and their welfare. तो हर क्वार्टर ये डिस्कस होता है.
Hmm.
Okay, and we're very clear that gig workers have to be treated fairly
Hmm.
and paid fairly. So when you look at data, and I've studied the data, if somebody puts in maybe 8 to 10 hours a day for 6 to 7 days a week on Zomato, he will end up making 35,000 rupees a month.
Okay. As his revenue.
So निकाल लो, खर्चा निकालो, 28,000 रुपए 27,000 रुपए बनते हैं.
ठीक है.
That's way above minimum wage in most states,
Yes.
all states.
All states.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now, who's paid less?
Hmm.
Now, these are people who are not graduates usually.
Hmm.
They're often just school pass, not even school pass.
Some say yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
You take an entry level software engineer in an IT services company.
Hmm.
They are paid less, but just
Lesser than this.
less than this.
Hmm.
You take article trainees in CA companies.
तो 8-10 हज़ार रुपये होता है.
5,000 if you're lucky.
हाँ हाँ.
Below minimum wage, they call it apprenticeship, so get away with it. It's a bit of a scam actually.
Yes.
वो लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं,
Hmm.
रात के 2 बजे तक काम करते हैं. They meet deadlines. They work 7 days a week.
Hmm.
Right?
The factory workers in Noida
No,
recently had this strike.
no, 1 second.
Hmm.
Now, the pass rate of the CA exam
Hmm.
is 8%. 92% of people who do articulship do not pass that exam.
Yes.
Okay? They're being sold hope, for which they work at 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees a month.
Hmm.
And that hope is often belied.
Hmm.
Right?
Right.
वो 3-5 साल करते हो articleship, not pass the exam, earning a pittance. So actually, in the Indian context, given what other options are available, for people who are more qualified, gig workers are paid a lot.
That's true.
And at Eternal, we are very bothered about this. And we keep looking at stuff. Second, we support any law that comes in for gig worker welfare, and we will follow it.
Okay. And ये gig economy eventually,
And see, understand one thing, gig workers are not employees.
yes, they're not.
So there are only 10%
Hmm.
of gig workers in Zomato put in
6-7 hours a day.
8-10 hours a day, 5 days a week, 6 days a week. Because there are enough people, there are students who will work 5 hours a day, 4 hours a day, 3 hours a day, and pay their college fees. My colleague's father-in-law lives in, I think, Ranchi or Jhansi, I forget. His driver gets out at 5 o'clock. He does 3-4 hours of
Zomato.
Swiggy delivery.
Okay.
He makes 6,000-7,000 rupees a month. He's happy.
It's good.
Right? He's not an employee.
हाँ.
He's happy. These are economic opportunities that are not available earlier.
Hmm.
And you're being paid pretty well, actually, in the Indian context. More than software engineers, more than C article trainees.
Correct. ये लोग रिप्लेस होंगे सर रोबोट से?
यार हिंदुस्तान में रोबोट कितने आएगा?
महंगा आएगा ना?
कितने का आएगा?
हाँ मतलब
अगर
बहुत एक्सपेंसिव.
$10-15 का आ गया, you're talking about very 10 lakh rupees है. अब 10 लाख का रोबोट में जो खराब भी हो सकता है. कैपेक्स है, होता है रोबोट इज कैपेक्स, राइट? आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो.
हाँ. These are the, by the way, मैं आपसे जो सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ,
I know
उसमें
it-
काफ़ी सारे सवाल वो हैं जो सोशल मीडिया पे नैरेटिव्स बनते हैं और एंगल्स चलते हैं और फिर वो फटते भी हैं. These are those
यार
एंगल्स कि 2030 तक तो ये गिग इकॉनमी भी रहेगी नहीं.
देखो सोशल मीडिया में 90% लोग विले हैं एंड दे लैक नॉलेज. कुछ भी बोल देते हैं
हाँ.
without adequate information, without analysis. So it's one of those things. But meanwhile, we continue to do our work.
तो ये दिस इज वन ऑफ द नैरेटिव व्हिच एक्चुअली वेंट वेरी स्ट्रांग इन लास्ट 2 months, व्हिच इज कि 2030 तक गिग इकॉनमी भी रहेगी नहीं इंडिया में.
Then why
Is only
don't,
because
then don't be bothered about it.
now people are not. I think they're happy doing what they're doing. It is only, I think, December, January of the year, when the year started, this angle came out क्योंकि कुछ strike हुई थी
तो yeah, ठीक है.
just back then. Now it is not there in the news until unless we are talking about it and